In this video, I'll be installing the SpeedFeed 400 on a Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer. So this is my Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer. I needed to replace the bump head because mine worn down and it quit feeding string. So step 1 is going to be to remove the old trimmer head. You'll do this by finding the notch that's above the trimmer head. And you'll want to spin the notch around until you can see a hole that you could stick the head of a screwdriver in, like I'm doing here. And the screwdriver will keep the gear case from spinning. And now you can unscrew the old trimmer head by turning it clockwise. And because I spun the trimmer head clockwise to remove it, it means that I have a left-handed trimmer head. And to make this fit on the Ryobi, you're going to have to remove the gold bushing and replace it with this red bushing that comes with the SpeedFeed. So to take this apart, you'll depress the tabs on the side and just pull the top off. And now you'll need something to push this gold bushing out of the black core so that you can put the red one in. I'm just using a pair of tongs that I have to knock it out. Now just insert the red bushing and push it all the way in. And I'm using the tongs again to make sure that it's seated correctly. And now I'll start to reassemble the SpeedFeed head. And because I have a left-handed trimmer head, I'm going to make sure that the L on the spool fur is facing outward when I put this back together. And now I just reassemble the rest of the parts. So before I install the new trimmer head, I'm going to place this plastic spacer in between the two. It has a groove in it that will only let it sit one way. So I'm ready to install my SpeedFeed head. So I'm going to take my screwdriver, put it back in the hole that will keep the little gear bushing from turning, and I'm going to spin the SpeedFeed head counterclockwise. And I'm only going to tighten this hand tight. I'm not going to use any tools to tighten it. Now that I have it installed, I'm going to wind up some string. So I'm going to make sure my arrows are aligned with the holes in the side. And so I'll take my trimmer string and I'll feed it straight through the holes where it'll come out the other side. So now I've threaded my string through the trimmer head and I'm going to pull it even on both sides. And the easy way to wind the string is to actually hold the trimmer head with my right hand. I'm going to hold that steady. I'm actually going to twist the top of the trimmer head with my left hand. I'm turning it towards me and that will wind the string up without the string getting tangled. So I've used my string trimmer twice since I've installed this, and so far so good. This is what the professionals use, so it's definitely much better than the head that comes on the Ryobi. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.